I used to think online video editors were a joke, slow, laggy, missing half the features you actually need. So when someone told me, just try VEED, I didn't expect much. But after using it for a few projects, I realized it's not what I thought. Step 1, why I even tried. Editing takes time. Downloading heavy software, dealing with updates, rendering. It adds up. VEED caught my attention because it runs straight in your browser. No installs, no powerful PC needed. Honestly, that alone made me curious. Step 2, first time opening it. When I logged in, I was expecting chaos. Instead, everything felt simple. Drag your video in, drop clips on the timeline, start editing, no long learning curve, and if you've ever opened a complicated editor and immediately felt lost, you know how big that is. Step 3, what surprised me? The auto subtitles, seriously, instead of typing captions manually for hours, VEED generated them in minutes. Not perfect, but close enough that fixing them was easy. For YouTube, that's a massive time saver. I also liked how fast it was to cut clips and add text. No waiting forever for things to load. Step 4, where it falls short. Let's be real, it's not replacing high-end editors. If you want heavy color grading, advanced effects, or cinematic control, you'll feel the limits. And yes, your internet speed matters. Slow connection equals slow editing. That's just the reality of browser tools. Step 5, who VEED is actually for. VEED makes sense if you want fast edits, make YouTube or social videos, don't want complicated software, prefer simple workflows. It's built for speed, not perfection. Final thoughts. So, is VEED IO the best online video editor for YouTube? For beginners and busy creators, it's honestly hard to beat. For advanced editors, it might feel a little light, but if your goal is to edit faster and hit publish sooner, VEED makes a strong case. Sometimes simple is exactly what you need. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.